Hello students. I hope that you have done very well in your first group examinations. Now this basically video is meant for those students who are appearing in November examination. They have appeared for first group in this July session and now they are preparing for your November examination, or for those students who are appearing for both groups in November examination. So they are appearing for second group in November examination. For them, this video is meant. Basically, we have released our indirect tax as well as direct tax laws, fast track batches, video lectures. And the same has been updated, okay, as per the November 21 examination. The same have been updated. All the amendments which are there, they are covered in these video lectures, okay. All the amendments up to 30th of April, they are asked in November examination. So all circulars, all notifications up to 30th of November, they are what? Covered in these video lectures. Now, these video lectures, we have basically made these video lectures separately for those students who are, say, appearing totally in English, okay? They understand in English. For them, separate video lectures have been recorded. For those who are understanding Hindi as well as English, for them, we have recorded these video lectures in mixed language. So one is separately meant for what? Those students who are appearing in English. So they can go with the English video lecture that is totally in English. And those who are comfortable with Hindi and English, for them we are having, say, these mixed video lectures. So they are updated, covering the amendments which are applicable for November 21 examination. Now basically, I will be just showing that what are our contents, how we have covered the entire syllabus. Basically, it's a fast track batch, but it is covering what? Entire syllabus is what covered here. So here, we are taking round about 100 hours to complete the indirect tax laws, entire syllabus. It's not that we are covering a few topics. We are covering entire syllabus here in 100 hours, and round about, say, we have covered more than 300 illustrations. Main focus is on, say, illustrations. Now, focus basically is on illustrations, and round about 300 illustrations have been covered. And these illustrations are basically new illustrations. Then the past exam questions are there that are covered. Say, past exam questions are there. They are also what? Covered here. Besides this, the institute's revisionary test paper, or say mock test papers, all the illustrations they are covered in these video lectures. So not only that we are just giving theoretical content, that is not there. We are covering each and every important illustration here in our fast track. Say in our input tax credit chapter, around about 46 illustrations are there covering the entire, computation of the GST liability. Those big illustrations. So trying to cover entire syllabus in 100 hours along with what? The illustrations. This has been what? Provided in these video lectures. Besides this, our strategy is what? How we are, say, doing. So we are giving you the PowerPoint presentation. PDF of the PowerPoint presentation has been provided by us. So this way, say, this is a chapter relating to, say, supply. So this way we discuss, and there are diagrams, they are basically flow charts, and each and every aspect has been covered. And basically, these PowerPoint presentations, they are based on our comprehensive book. But in PPT, we can make so many diagrams, etc., flow charts, etc. So everything has been, say, there in this PPT presentation. And we are providing, along with the video lectures, the PDF of the PPT presentation. Besides this, what we are providing is this book. This is what? Our main comprehensive book of the indirect tax laws. Now, basically, what is the difference between the comprehensive book and, say, compiler? This is a compiler. This is basically short summary. This is compiler. This is covering short summary, and this is a comprehensive book. Now, in this comprehensive book, which we are providing along with our fast track video lectures with the PDF of these PPTs, this book is provided to you. Now, this book, basically, it is also covering 300 more than 300 illustrations. And here it is covering each and every aspect relating to GST, customs and foreign trade policy. Okay. In summary book, that is our compiler, we are covering the summary of the chapter. And then we are going with the past exam questions, revisionary test papers and mock test papers, questions in that, compiler. And few new questions which we incorporate. Now, in this book, basically, we are having what? Topic-wise illustrations. And similar to our video lectures, there's topic-wise illustrations are there. Past exam important questions are also covered, and the revisionary test paper is covered. So at the time of examination, you must not feel that something is coming out of box. As the new approach, new persons are saying that something is this is out of box paper, this is out of box paper. So basic fundamental thing is what? Nothing is out of box here in laws. Okay? If you understand the concept of the laws with your notifications, with your circulars, then nothing is like out of box. You can attempt each and every aspect of the paper. So our approach in the fast track batch also is what? We are covering each and every aspect. Now, basically, whatever I am writing, the main lacking which the student is facing in examination is that he is not able to write properly. So my suggestion is that while we are going with these video lectures, say I am writing these things. Now, in case if you listen and write those things, in that case, you will be able to make your summary notes. You will be able to make what? Your summary notes. Basically, summary notes are what? Compiler, which we are providing. So you can make your own summary notes, which will be very helpful at the eve of the examination. So fundamental focus is what? That the student must have an ability to understand as well as write. Just by listening and not writing will not serve the purpose at the time of the examination. So here, these fast track lectures, they are covering the amendments which are applicable for the November examination. All the circulars, all the notations, they same have been covered. Okay. Besides this, you must know that only hard work is the key to success. So if you make your own notes, then it will be what? Helpful at the time of exam. So if I have solved these 300 illustrations here, you should solve them by hand. Okay? Then at the time of the examination, you will not face any difficulty in solving those illustrations. So these video lectures, basically, I am showing, they are what available at our website, bangarsedu.com. Beside this, these video lectures are also available on all the major electronic platforms. So I think so that after going with the video lectures and sincerely preparing for this November examination, you will definitely get what? Exemption marks. Okay? And try to make your own notes, hand notes, short notes, so that at the time of examination, you are able to revise. Okay? Besides this, we will be further launching what? Our quick revision videos also. At the eve of exam, if you just want a summary, so that will be a separate batch, fast track, say quick revision batches there, roundabout of 20 to 25 hours, which is covering the entire summary of the goods and services tax as well as for the direct tax laws. Now, in case the students ask, many of the students, they are saying that we do not have a time to read the entire comprehensive book, then basically my personal suggestion is that you must go with this comprehensive book. You must go with the comprehensive book. But in case of paucity of time, you want the student say, but we don't have enough time. So in that particular circumstance, instead of book, we can also provide you the compiler. So compiler is basically, as I have already told you, initially it is covering the summary of the entire chapter and then the past exam questions, revisionary test papers, mock test papers, and few questions which have been incorporated by us from our point of view that can be helpful at the time of exam, that has been covered in these this compiler. So if a student want compiler instead of book, we can provide him what? with this compiler instead of book in our, along with our PDF of these video lectures as well as the video lectures. So these lectures, they are covering around about say 100 hours, covering the entire syllabus, and more than say 300 illustrations have been covered by us. Okay, so why after going through these video lectures, I think so that you will be able to pass the examination with the flying colors. Okay, thank you very much.